Hello guys, so today video is gonna be a very important video, so make sure you watch till the end. Today I'll be showing you guys how I blend this picture right here, and as you can see, this picture can fit into multiple backgrounds. Let me just change the background for you to see. Just hold on, let me pause this video. So guys, as you can see, I just want to use this picture as a background for you to see. So as you can see right here, is well blended with the background. So just make sure you watch this video to the end and don't miss any step. Make sure you watch it step by step. So first thing I'm going to do, the app I use, let me pause this video. Let me just go to the app. So guys, first thing, as you can see right here, the name of the app is PSCC. So I'm just going to click on this plus button right here, then photo gallery library, click on it, then I will select the file where the picture is located. Picture is here, pixel lab. Let me look for the picture. It's just a random picture I downloaded and I arranged them in pixel lab. So look at the picture right here. I'm just going to click on add. So as you can see right here, look at the picture. I downloaded this picture from Pinterest and I arranged them one after the other, and I also enhanced the picture. So let me know if you want me to create a video on how I enhance this picture, and also check the description of this video for you to get access to this app I used. So first thing, I'm going to click on this button right here and this hand sign right here. I'll click on it, then I'll click on fade, then I'll just comment. So I'm going to adjust these two dots right here. I'll position this one below like this. Guys, just make sure you watch this video step by step. I'm just going to reposition these two dots right here. I'll drag this one to the top, and I'll bring this one to this point like this. I think it's a little bit, this one down. I think it's okay like this. I'm just making sure it's well positioned. Bless the hands for lyrics. Sammywillz, the mind behind the visuals. So guys, I think it's okay like this. I'll leave it like this. I'm just going to click on this check mark button right here. Now click on done, then save, then I'll click on this button right here, this button. I'll click on it, and I'll click on save to gallery, then I'll change it to PNG, then I'll select the picture, then I'll click on OK, and I'll wait for it. It's saved direct to my gallery. So now I'm going to go back to pixel lab. I'll show you the recent one I added, the recent picture.
clean like mirror, ideas fresh like Joe Bug Breeze. Sammywillz, the mind behind the visuals.
As you can see the picture right here. Okay. So guys, just take a look at it, how the picture is well blended to the background. I'm going to change the background again for you to see. Let me pause this video. So guys, let me use this one. So as you can see, it's well blended. Let me use the previous one, like that one is more okay. So guys, just take a look at how this is looking so sharp. Let me show you another picture I used. It's a picture of this guy, this Real Madrid player. What is he called? Jude Bellingham. I'm coming. So guys, I just changed his background, then I'll add the picture. This is the same picture, the same app I used, that's PSCC. As you can see, well blended, nothing like for you to get stressed, adding shape, turning into gradients, no. So guys, if you find this video helpful, kindly like and share this video to your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.
To creation, this is our destination. Sammywillz visual, Sammywillz visual. That's the name you remember. Sammywillz